Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to turn your Rust package into a Debian package. It's very simple, very easy, very quick. So here what we have is a simple Hello World project that gets created with cargo-new, nothing crazy. Here we have our cargo.toml with no dependencies, it's clean. So how do you turn this after you, well, preferably first make sure that it works. How do you turn this into basically a package that you later can install with dpkg, for example, or share it with someone, whatever, right? So what you're gonna do is you're going to install a plugin for Cargo called cargo-deb. Now, this thing is going to need one thing before we run it. What you have to do is you have to go to cargo.toml and you have to paste this. This is the metadata that the .deb package itself will need. So as you can see, there's some very obvious things like maintainer, copyright, license, etc. You can also put dependencies here in terms of like package dependencies, as in Debian package dependencies, not like Rust cargo dependencies. But what's most important here is this section here. So what this basically means is whenever you build something, right, using cargo, it outputs it in the target directory locally. And then it's either released or debugged and so on. And in this case, at least, given that I'm working on a simple bin project that is basically outputting a binary, what I'm gonna end up with is a my app binary. Now, what you need to do is you need to tell the cargo-deb that, hey, there's this binary. I would like you to take that as the output of the building of that project and put it somewhere after you installed the deb package. And that's exactly what we say here. So you say, hey, take this binary, and then later, when you actually take this into the package itself, and when someone's installing that, put it here. Now, in this case, it's going to be /user/bin, but you don't put that slash here. I know it's kind of confusing, but that's how you do it. And you obviously give it the necessary permission. And we kind of do the same here with the README, although you don't really need to. Doesn't really matter, at least in our case. So yeah, okay. Now that is installed, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply go and run cargo-deb, and that's it. So as you can see, this basically outputted a file. That file is a it's a .deb package, right? And I'm going to try to run it locally. So if I were to run my app right now, it doesn't exist, right? So, well, we need to first install it, right? The way I can do it is with the dpkg-i, which stands for install command, and then just paste the path to the actual, package, right? So, well, where is I gonna find it? Oh, right, because as you can see, the output is actually in the target directory. So let's just copy that. It's gonna be much easier. Okay, it did install it. So if I were to run my app right now, as you can see, it brings out hello world because it's actually now residing in the user bin directory. If I were to list all of the packages installed, as you can see, we have the my app listed as a package. And if I were to uninstall that package, dpkg is intelligent enough to know what I mean, and also it's intelligent enough to, when we actually go to user bin, you can see that my app is gone, so it did delete that file. And yeah, that's really it. It's very easy, very fast, very easy to configure and build. You can later use it as some kind of an artifact in your CI configuration, and upload it wherever you want, whenever you want, right, and so on. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and bye.